Hi everybody, and welcome to Man Cake, where we play before we eat and always lick the bowl. I'm Dan, and if you enjoy a good slice of cake and something sweet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more recipes, and click that bell like a cake boss so you know when brand new videos are posted. So, I'm really excited. Today is a Man Cake first. We're doing brownies, but not just any brownies. These are going to be chocolate cherry brandy brownies. Are you excited? I'm excited. So let's go ahead and preheat those ovens to 350 degrees. Now in a heat-proof bowl, add in 1 cup of chocolate and 3/4 cups of butter. Then just zap that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And then add that into your mixing bowl of choice. With that chocolate, you're going to want to add just a pinch of salt, and 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Then just let that all mix together until well combined. Now, while that continues to mix, go ahead and add in 1 egg, 2 eggs, and 3 eggs. Now, we're going to go ahead and add in 5 ounces of your brandy of choice. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why I have this cute little tiny measuring cup. So we'll go ahead and add in 4 ounces, and another ounce to give us 5. Once added, we want to go ahead and let our batter to continue to mix on that low-medium speed until everything is well combined. While that mixes, go ahead and add in 1 cup of flour. And about a 1/2 cup of dried cherries. And then let that keep mixing for a few more seconds. Once mixed, pour your batter into your prepared pan. Then, before the bake, go ahead and add some dried cherries on top of the brownie batter. Now, just bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Now with our brownies baked and cooled, we can go ahead and cut right into them. And as you can see, I've added some chocolate chips on top during the last 3 minutes of the bake. So let's go ahead and just cut our brownies 3 by 3. And pop these out of the pan and put into a serving bowl. And of course, put a few aside for ourselves, because trust me, these brownies will go fast. And there we have it, our chocolate cherry brandy brownies. Are there any cakes and desserts you'd like to see? Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more man cake recipes. As always, life is short, so lick the bowl. Until next week, bye!